Welcome to the exciting world of genomics technology, where we are unlocking the secrets of life itself. With the help of groundbreaking research and innovative technologies, we are able to understand the blueprint of life at an unprecedented level of detail.
Genomics technology has given us a powerful tool to decode the human genome and identify genetic variations that can lead to disease. By analyzing the DNA of individuals, doctors and researchers can identify the root cause of various illnesses and develop targeted treatments to cure or prevent them. Genomics technology is paving the way for personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to each individual's unique genetic makeup. This approach is more effective and efficient, leading to better outcomes for patients and reducing healthcare costs. Beyond healthcare, genomics technology is also transforming agriculture. By analyzing the DNA of crops, farmers can improve yields, reduce waste, and develop crops that are more resistant to pests and disease. The potential applications of genomics technology are truly limitless. From improving renewable energy sources to advancing our understanding of evolution, the insights gained from genomics research are changing the way we live and the world we live in. In conclusion, genomics technology is unlocking the secrets of life and transforming the world around us. With continued investment in research and development, we can unlock even more insights and realize the full potential of this groundbreaking technology.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread the word about the promise of genomics technology.